We on the road again, guys. We recharge the battery, off grid, solar panels, very important, guys. Invest, so you never know when you might need it. The e-bike, you know, that's the way. Energy efficient. So we got 44% on the battery. So we're back on and grooving and moving. Hey, the shit, let me see you guys. Whoa, little wobbly right there. Hang on tight. Hang on to your Crocs. Alright. Woo! I think I might need the GPS again because I have no idea. But sometimes it's good to be lost as long as you're going forward. And right now, we're going forward. Rocks. We got turbulence. We got turbulence here, guys. Oh boy. Alright. Oh, I'm trying to build a path. Alright. Trying to build a path. Trying to pave the way. Alright. Whoa. Whoa. Shaky leg. Oh shit. Car incoming. Better move out the way. Alright. So we're trying to go as fast as we can up the hill. You know, full speed, full throttle. Oh, that's electric too. See? I'm telling you guys, electric is the way. Go EV. EV is the way to go, guys. I mean, I'm not as fast as the car, but hey, still go. Uphill. We're struggling. But we're still going. As long as we're going forward, we're winning, guys. We're winning. As long as you're going forward. Hey, we got the little farm, we got the goats. And at this very point, I don't